Hey, what's up YouTube? Weston back again. Got another pair of kicks that I want to unbox for you guys today. But first, a little bit of reasoning why I had to pick up this pair of shoes. So on the 29th of December, there's this event called Cars and Kicks here in Orlando. I decided to put my bid in to become a vendor and it got accepted. I was racking my brain and even looking at all these shoes, I was just like, I want to wear something that's not too hype or not too old. I want something that's like, pretty cool. So that's what led me to my decision for this pair of kicks that I am unboxing today. So without further ado, let's get to it. But before we get started, if it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. At the end of the video, you can leave me a like, leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a drop. Now let's get to the unboxing.
What's in the box?
Today we're unboxing the Dover Street Market Air Jordan 1. This Jordan 1 released in April of 2015 for a retail price of $185. Fun fact, there were only 3 Dover Street Markets globally at the time of the release. Now there are 6. This shoe features a predominant iridescent navy blue patent leather upper, constructed with premium materials and tooling, sitting upon a white midsole and a translucent outsole. This is a minimalist dream colorway with an immaculate attention to detail. It even comes with unscrewable metal aglets for the shoelaces. So I picked these up from GOAT and I'm really happy about 1, the pickup and the purchase, and 2, about the price that I paid for it, because like I said, these came out back in 2015. It's almost 5 years ago and I think they've kind of faded to the back of people's minds. And so hopefully I can get a couple reactions whenever I wear these at the Cars and Kicks event. A little bit about Cars and Kicks. Cars and Kicks is a sneaker event, a buy-sell trade show, and also a car show. Shout out to Rodney and Devontae who got their cars into the show, so they'll hopefully be next to my booth where we'll be selling my clothing brand, Pixel Apparel. When going to a sneaker event, a lot of people think that newer is better. You might not be a part of the culture, you might just like nice stuff or, the expensive, unobtainable stuff. And if that's what you like, that's cool. I am a huge fan of Jordan 1s. It started back in, ironically, 2015 when I got my first 2 pairs of OG cut Jordan 1s out of that remastered collection. The black and red ones and the black and royal ones. I mean, they're not the band ones because I didn't get the ones with the X on the back. But ever since then, I've always been a fan of the one. But then once I finally got my hands on a pair, it was over, as you can see here. I have a plethora, to say the least, of Jordan 1s. Just 1s boxes everywhere. You can kind of see right here. Those are all 1s. That whole column is just 1s. I wanted something to kind of exude my personality when it comes to shoes, because that's definitely a staple in my collection. I didn't want anything too ridiculous, definitely nothing too new, and I wanted something that people would recognize. I can guarantee right now, since the event is on the 29th, there's probably going to be somebody there with, guaranteed, Travis Scott 1s, off-white, either dunks or off-white, whatever. Definitely going to see those new Yeezys that are coming out on the 23rd, those 700 V3s, and a pair of Sakai's. Those are my like top 4. I could probably give a 5th. I would guarantee a pair of Union 1s, any colorway. So out of those 5, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna see at least those 5 shoes walking around at the sneaker event, which is perfectly fine. But I have a couple of those, and I just don't want to be known as the guy that has like the newest, hottest stuff. I want to have a little bit of, background to what I picked up with a little bit more substance and kind of show off my personality a little bit. And I think Jordan 1s do that just well. But enough of all that. Let's see what they look like on foot. So I actually want to size up to a size 10 in these, and I don't feel too bad about it. I did throw in those sole shields in here because the patent leather is one of those materials that is bound to crease, just like that reflective Zoom Jordan 1 that I just picked up. It's just one of those materials that once it creases, it's done forever. So try to preserve it as long as possible, because these shoes are, one of those kind of premium material shoes, which I'm very excited to wear, and so don't want to ruin it before I actually get a couple words out. So one of my favorite features about this shoe is the lining. the lining is like this felt material, which I don't think I've ever seen on a pair of ones before. It makes getting in the shoe super easy. I have a pair of Pinnacle ones right there, and I did a video on those. I'll leave this link in the description below. And that shoe was kind of difficult to actually get on foot because that Vachetta tan, it was just, you know, it sticks to your socks. Like, you gotta have like dress socks to just slide in there. It's ridiculous. As good of a shoe as it is, like these right here, like it's just super easy to slide on, and the collar is a little bit more reinforced because of it, I think. So these look like they're gonna last. So I'm really excited about these. As the year is drawn to a close, I think I might pick up one more pair of shoes. I think, yeah. We'll see. We'll see. I don't want to paint myself in a corner. Something might just come up. But there's one more pair of shoes that I'm looking at that I really want. But you just have to stay tuned and see. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this video to a close. Like I said, if you're in Orlando on the 29th of December, pull up to Cars and Kicks. I'm gonna be out there. The homies are gonna be out there. We're gonna be selling shirts and shoes, and, you know, taking pictures of some cool cars. So slide by the booth, check us out, let me know what you think. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit a like, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about the shoes. And if you made it this far, might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I got more stuff coming soon. So until next time, peace.